What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're gonna install new headlights on my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 MR. It's the RGB headlights. I got them already, I have them in the car. I got them yesterday. I was so excited and I opened them. I forgot to do a video, but I have a small video I'm gonna put right here guys, so you guys can see that how I opened the box. And I'm gonna show you guys the headlights right now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take the car to the shop right now and my brother is gonna help me. We're gonna install the headlights really quick and we'll go from there guys. So here we go. Nothing, there is not even daytime running light or anything, you know. Stock 2008 stock headlights. Today we're gonna talk about this Evo, not the 2012. So I have them right here. Come on. I have the headlights right here guys. I'm gonna take this, put this here on top, and here we go guys, the headlights right here. Okay, I'm just gonna take the car to the shop. We're gonna install them right there and we'll go from there. But before that, let's do a quick cold start guys. Gonna do a quick cold start, right? So guys, here we go again. This is how the car looks like with the OEM headlights. So how you guys know, I got the full titanium exhaust and it's pretty loud. It's the first gear right there. Gosh, it's very loud. Long story short guys, we got the car on the lifter because we need to remove the front bumper. We put some wood right here because I have the side skirts and it's touching. It's touching a little bit, but I hope it won't be a big deal because on the back we put some wood right here. Right there. But we don't have more. Okay, let's go get these things ready. We have the headlights right here guys and the instructions. Here we go, some Chinese headlights guys, aftermarket headlights. And also we have the adapters right here because we need to connect the fuse. So we got the front bumper out to change the headlights. There is only 3 screws or 4?
I think 3. No, 4.
4. One more. It's much easier if you take the bumper out, right?
Yeah. I told you. There you go. Test fit.
This You like it?
Yeah.
We got the first headlight installed. I love it. I love it. We got the second one installed, guys, so here we go. Now, so this is unlock and this is lock. Beautiful. So again, guys, we got both headlights installed, and right now we're gonna connect the RGB wire. This for changing colors, right?
I think so. It's what?
Here. That's the fuse right there, the fuse box, right?
Yeah, it's on the first back. It says where it's connected, and this is the.
Devil eye plug to plug.
Oh, this is the
Daytime.
devil eye plug to plug the daytime run, and then there's the daytime running as that's main power plug. Okay.
Chinese.
I don't understand Chinese, but luckily it says so.
2008 17 Lancer.
Yeah, just
So
plug
this
and
goes
play.
to
Plug and
the
play. Everyone has its own connector. Let me see. Like
yeah,
this.
that one.
See? Like that, and we're just gonna run the cable here in front. So when the bumper is all together, we don't see it. We have the cover right here, so you don't really see it.
And this goes to the second headlight, right?
Yeah. The big one. There you go. And this one here.
So we're just gonna leave them right there?
Yeah. And this one goes to the fuse box. This goes to the ACC, and this I think goes to the positive. We're gonna put it here.
Right there. So this goes here now.
Yeah. It says 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 10.
Number 10.
Yeah,
Number
10.
10.
10 amps.
Wait, so we're gonna take this out and connect this right there?
Yeah.
Oh, because I think he has 10 right here. This two, right? It's 5 and 5. No, 15 and 5.
Yeah.
So it's
We need
20.
to take this out. You have a plier or something?
So this is for the color lights.
I think so. Let's see. Let's connect it and see.
So that goes there, guys.
Like that.
But this wire here, I don't like it.
We're gonna hide it on. This one connects to the positive. It says this one goes to the positive. Like that.
Like that.
Unlock it? Unlock the car?
Here we go, guys. We put the ignition on. Take it out.
If I take it out, it's gonna die because it needs positive.
Ah.
No.
Wow. It's beautiful. I like it.
I think this is for the RGB.
RGB.
Put lights on?
Long story short, guys, we're done. We installed both headlights. This is red color, but let me change it right now. This is blue color. Basically, they have a lot of colors, but I can't do a video and change them because I do this with my phone. So here we go. I love it. Damn. So here we go, guys. You put the lights on, and also you can change this. Man, I like it. I really like it.